Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video on Hirat's Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this nutritious dish called mpotompoto or nuhu or yam pottage or porridge, and this recipe is a banger. So just relax and watch me as I take you through the process, okay? So for this recipe, I am going to use yam. Yes, so firstly, I am going to peel the yam gently before we continue with the process, okay? If you are new here, I am Hirat and you are welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always returning, okay? So after peeling the yam, I am going to cut this end because that end always becomes bitter and watery. So I am going to cut off all the spots please before cutting the yam, just like this, before I cut them into smaller chunks or cubes. But you can cut them any way of choice, okay? But I decided to go this way with it. So after cutting it like this, I'm going to cut it in smaller cubes, just like this. So nice, gentle, and neat. And this is the end result. Just see, it's so small and will make the cooking process to be fast as possible. So I am going to continue with the cutting till I'm done with everything. Once I'm done, I am going to transfer the cubes in a bigger bowl, add water, and then give it a very thorough wash. And here I washed it for 2 times. So after washing it, I will transfer the yam cubes in my saucepan, and then I will add 1 large onion, 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I think one is bigger than the other. So I will add the tomatoes, and then I will add my momone or cured fish. And you can skip this if you are not a fan of it. I will add red scotch bonnet pepper. Add everything to your taste, okay? And then I will add salt to taste. And for the seasoning, I am going to use aromat seasoning, and here I used the shrimp seasoning to season my mpotompoto, and the outcome was wow. So after adding everything, I will add water enough to cover everything. And next I am going to add my dried fish, and here I debone everything, but I can still see some small bones which are chewable. So I will cover and allow it to come to a boil. So after 10 minutes, I am going to remove the tomatoes, onion, and pepper, and I am going to blend it into a fine puree, and I will be back with it. So next, I am going to give it a very good stir to make sure it cooks evenly. And here I am trying to mash some of the yam, and you can use a masher if you want, but I just want to mash just a bit. So after mashing, I will then introduce my blended ingredients into it. Add a little bit of water and then give it a stir for everything to be well combined. Once I'm done with the stirring, I will cover it halfway like this to allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. So next I am going to put some palm oil in my pan, followed by onions, and I am going to fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. And here I just want it to be a bit soft and we are good to go. So after 2 minutes, my oil is ready and I am going to pour it over the yam porridge. The porridge is already given ankasa. So I will give it a stir once again. Here I'm trying to be gentle because my pot was full. So after mixing everything, I will garnish it with onions and allow it to simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes, our mpotompoto or yam porridge is ready. And here the porridge was tasting so good, guys. I don't know if it is because of the aromat seasoning or what, but I guess it is it. So guys, just grab yourself some aromat seasoning and thank me later. Okay, so I am going to dish my mpotompoto and then I will enjoy. Just try this recipe and you'll love it. It is a sure banker, I tell you. So let me know in the comment section how your own tasted, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I said earlier. Like this video because I know you loved it from the beginning. So like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell, okay? Thank you so much for watching to this end. See you in the next one. Bye bye.